everyone, I'm Charlotte and this is the Daily where we talk all things skincare, fashion, fitness, and nutrition for women over 40. I'm excited to be doing an Amazon video today. A couple of companies reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to sample their products and show them to you and let you know what I think. So if you like videos like this one, would you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not, because I'd love to have you join this community of women. We have a lot of fun around here. Without further ado, let's get started. First company that sent me a product is iMethod Beauty. I received this brow stamper as well as a winged stamp eyeliner kit. So I will be showing both of those things to you. Just to start with, I don't have any brow color on right now, and I don't have any winged liner on today because I do want to show you this kind of on camera. Hopefully I can do it. An eyebrow stamp comes with 5 different styles of stencils. This is one pair, one for each eyebrow. I asked them to give me the lightest color. It's kind of like a taupe. This is the little brush. This is kind of a spongy type of brush. Nice pair of tweezers that I have not used yet, but they do feel substantial. A spoolie brush on one end and then an eyebrow brush on the other. This is the eyeliner stamp. It is your winged eyeliner stamp. And it comes with 2, if you can see that, kind of bevels right there to kind of give you that wing so you can just stamp it there. And on the other side, it has one of those felt tip liquid liner. Gives you some options. You know, you don't have to just have a wing. So the first time I tried both products, I just have to tell you, I think there's a learning curve to it. I really do. I think that you could get really good at using these. However, since I'm so, I do things so free-handed, typically, it's just different for me. So I'm going to try it again. Maybe it'll be better this time. I'm really hoping so, because I think the concept for people that don't do a lot of eyebrows and winged liner. And so the key is to put them right on your eyebrow, just like that, making sure that it, fits your eyebrow, of course. I would dab from about here on out, and then I would use leftovers for the front. You never want the front of your eyebrow to be dark. Now the key also is to hold it in place. You do not want it to move. Some on, just like that. And then I'm gonna start from the very end, and I'm gonna go ahead and just dab around and see what happens, because I do not have any color on right now, just so you know. And that way we can kind of get a really good idea of the way that one looks in comparison to the other, okay? I just don't want to get it dark. Okay, I'm gonna take it off now. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix it up just a little bit, just by brushing it like this. Here on the eyebrow brush, just like this. And trace. I do think that you probably still need to kind of clean it up just a little bit. So far, so good. Okay, so I'm gonna get another little bit of this. I'm gonna brush it just a little bit. Just dipped into the putty, like a painter pot, And you're just kind of tracing your brow. Somebody that didn't know what they were doing at all with eyebrows, this might be a really nice option. I think it kind of went on a little easier today than it did last night. So I think it's trial and error, I really do. And I think it's really holding this firm onto your brow. Yeah, it worked out nicely. There's definitely a learning curve to them, but I think that it gives you just enough base to be able to work with it. So if you're not somebody that does wings, it gives you a base. And then even if you just want to keep it like that, or if you want to add some shadow around it, or if you want to add the other side of this, stamp. If you want to try this out, I think they're leaving a discount code. I'm really hoping they are. I will leave the discount code in the description box. The next segment of the video is sponsored by a company from Amazon called Zigoo. So I will list all of these things in the description box, as well as discount codes that they are providing. They've provided me with 3 things that I picked from their list or from their website. The things that I picked are this bomber jacket. I went ahead and picked this in a size small. This is kind of a suede type of feel, and it has a nice ribbing there on the neck. It does zip up. It has silver hardware, and then there's this little side pocket right here with a zipper, so that gives it some really cool detail. It does have pockets right here. This is a lightweight jacket, by the way. It definitely feels lightweight. And on the inside, it's got a really nice lining right here. But like I said, it comes in different colors. And I'm going to be trying that on for you. This is in a coffee color. Don't have anything like this, so I picked this coffee color. I read the reviews on this button down, and they are really, really good. The material is really nice and lightweight, and it feels very, very soft. Several colors in this. I picked this in a size medium because I read the reviews, and I did try this stuff on already, so I know it fits really nice. I'm gonna style this up and show it to you. I do like the cuffs. You know, you can definitely wear them, you know, buttoned right here, but you can also roll these cuffs up and they're not bulky at all. I love the length. I love doing a little front tuck with this, and love leaving the collar just kind of hanging open like this. So I'm gonna show that to you in just a minute as well. Now, the next thing they sent me that I picked is this puffer jacket. Now, it's in the shade pink, and I don't know that I picked the right color for my skin tone. However, it is a really pretty jacket. So it's a less puffy jacket than my one that I have already. So it's more of a, I don't know, it's just not as puffy. So if you don't like that really kind of bulky kind of look, this one is for you. This one isn't too heavy, feels really nice and comfortable. I did try this on, keep you nice and warm. And then it has two pockets that do zip. The pulley, if that's what you call it, is black. And then the zipper itself is pink. So it kind of matches up. It does have a little drawstring to cinch up the bottom of it just a little bit to kind of keep you nice and warm. I wanted to show it to you up close before I tried it on. This is a really pretty jacket, and I really do think, you know, it's gonna style up really great with my high tops. So I did try it on, and I think it looks really cute. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. Now, this is a button down, but I want you to see the movement of this. This is such a nice, loose fitting button down. I'm really glad that I picked the one in medium because I don't want to have any issues with the bust area. So this is how it looks when it is, you know, when the sleeves are down, not rolled up at all, and when it's untucked. But I do want to go ahead and show you that the way that I would wear it is with the belt, and I would just go ahead and give it a little front tuck just like that. I think this is really, really cute. I did pair this with a pair of long boots and a belt with a gold buckle. That way I could pair some gold earrings. We have this in so many colors. I just love how loose fitting it is. It feels so nice. I hope it's coming through on camera. It's really, really pretty. I do have it unbuttoned slightly because that is the way that I would wear it. Unbutton it and then, you know, roll it up to 3/4 sleeve. But I'm liking the way that this fits, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like with the blazer. So hang on. The blazer is from my own closet, but I think that this is a really cute look as well. This goes really nicely under a blazer. I'm really liking it. This is a good one. You could wear this in so many different ways. This is definitely a very versatile top. You could wear it, you know, with a work skirt and a work blazer, a pair of jeans and a belt and long boots, but certainly you know, you have options with this top. I'd love to know what you think. I will list a link if you're interested in this top, but so far, so good. This is in a size small. It does have pockets, and it is a really nice lightweight jacket. Comes in several colors. I picked everything from Zigoo in a small. I think it's true to size. If you do want to fit a little more oversized, go ahead and size up. I went ahead and paired it with the same belt. I switched my shoes out so that it's a little matchy-matchy. And I like the look a lot. This is so cute. Definitely a cute jacket for, you know, weather that doesn't get really, really cold, or you could layer this, of course, as well. So if you do want to layer it, I would certainly, you know, size down or choose your normal size so that you could put something over it as well. I'd love to know what you think. It is a nice, lightweight puffer jacket that isn't too puffy. So it really does you know, fit a little closer to the body, which a lot of people do like. So it does have a little drawstring to cinch things in at the bottom. This is in a size small, and it does zip all the way up right to there. So really cute, lightweight jacket. You can unzip and tuck your hands into the pockets and stay nice and warm. This is super cute with a pair of high top tennis shoes. Okay, the next brand that I'm going to be showing you today is a company called Tapata. They have an Amazon store. If you watch my channel, you know that I love their workwear. So, you know, I'm not a person that works in a like the workplace environment. However, these things can be worn outside of the workplace environment. You can definitely pair them up in so many different ways. I actually picked 4 items. And I'm also going to be showing you a pair of pants that I picked up in my last haul from Tapata, just because I'm going to pair it with something here. If you're looking for workwear, they really are a high quality brand for workwear with a plus in comfort. If you are looking for work clothes, I want you to pay special attention to this brand because They are a really great brand with really good quality pieces. Shirt. This is a button down, really nice material, really good quality. This is in a size small, so you can see how long it runs. You could definitely style this with your workwear, but also with like a pair of jeans. This is a navy blue blazer. It does have a collar and it has one button with 2 pockets that are sewn up, but you could certainly, you know, clip the pockets and use the pockets. There's several little buttons here on the sleeve of the blazer, and it's just a really pretty stylish blazer. And you can tell it's really well made just because, well, obviously the way it looks, but also when you feel it, it feels really, really substantial. So you can always tell when something is nicely made. There's a nice lining on the inside, and I'm excited to try that blazer with this pencil skirt that I chose. This is a navy blue pencil skirt. This is in a size extra small. They do have 2 lengths. They have a shorter skirt and a longer skirt. I chose that one. I just wanted a longer skirt. Now this is a pull on, so a very nice piece of elastic here on the top. And I just love the silhouette of this skirt. It is so beautiful and it pairs so nicely with this blazer and this white button down. This one is a lighter weight blazer in a size small and in the color black. It does have a little bit of shoulder pad going on there. And I didn't mention that before, but this one also has a little bit of a shoulder pad too. So the care of these items is so easy. Just throw them in the washer and hang to dry. These are easy care instructions, and I think it goes a long way with workwear just because I'm not the kind of person that loves to take things to the dry cleaner. So if you like really easy kind of set it and forget it workwear that is very, very comfortable and that feel almost like you're wearing like loungewear, this is really good. So take notice of it. I'm going to list and link everything in the description box. They're going to provide me with some coupon codes to give to you guys or some discount codes. And I also wanted to mention that if you want to look on their website, they also have rolled out like workwear button downs, but they are bodysuits. So they have like a white and a black. And in this one, they have a black and a white and a light blue. So they're not just in the colors that I'm showing you. So just keep that in mind. They have a nice selection and the things that they rolled out for fall are really nice. So hang on, I'm gonna try them on for you. This is a size small. I wanted to show you how long it was. I wanted to come up really closely so you could kind of see the way the buttons are. There's a little discreet button right in here if you want to kind of keep that closed, although there's nothing on the outside, like not an opening. The opening is on the inside, so I'm not quite sure if you're just supposed to feed that button through. So it's kind of like a discreet button. You don't see an extra button there, which I could imagine that's what it is. This is a size small, so just so you know, if I stretch just ever so slightly, it could pull there in the chest area. But I'm gonna leave my measurements, so you're gonna know exactly how this fits my particular measurements, okay? But the length is really, really nice. This is in a size small, and if you have different measurements than me, this may fit just right. Very nice material, very well made. A beautiful pant that I received the last time, these pants, and I just think they are so nice and comfortable. Now I'm gonna show you this beautiful blazer. This is a collarless blazer, so I'm just imagining that you're supposed to button it and not be able to see the button. If you do want to button it. However, you could wear it open just like this. It fits very nicely. Really beautiful cut and nice silhouette. All right, I went ahead and just put one of my own tank tops on just so you could see what this would look like if you just had a tank top underneath. You know, you could definitely dress it down just by wearing a tank top underneath. Extra small. And then this blazer is really nice. I like the fact that you can button it if you'd like. I'm gonna go ahead and button it for you. Nice. So if you're looking for work attire, this is so pretty. Well, that was a lot of fun. I had a good time today. Definitely a different Amazon video, but I hope you enjoyed it. I wanna go ahead and thank iMethod Beauty, as well as Zigoo and Tapata for sponsoring today's video. They sent me a lot of really fun stuff and I enjoyed sharing it with you all. I'm gonna list and link all of these things in my description box, as well as discount codes that they provide to me. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Until next time, God bless you.